Boatshed Wales is pleased to offer for sale this 1988 Jaguar 25 sailing yacht, designed by Frank Butler and built by Jaguar Yachts Limited. A well-regarded small cruiser, the Jaguar 25 is known for her solid construction, responsive handling, and surprisingly spacious accommodation for her size. This particular example is currently afloat on her berth at Neyland Marina and presents very well. The rig has seen recent investment, with both the mast and standing rigging replaced approximately 5 years ago. On deck, the mainsail is fitted with sail cover, lazy jacks, and a stack pack system, making sail handling easier, particularly when short-handed. She also benefits from a new mainsail and Genoa fitted in 2021. Power is provided by a Beta Marine engine, believed to be in good working order, with reliable operation reported. Additional features include a wind generator and 2 solar panels, enhancing her capability for extended cruising and self-sufficiency. A full survey was carried out in 2021, which noted the boat to be a thoroughly well-maintained and much-loved example. Having recently stepped aboard, the impression remains the same. She appears to be in a tidy and well-cared-for condition throughout. This is a smart little yacht with plenty to offer, whether you're stepping into boat ownership for the first time or looking for a capable and economical cruiser. All viewings and inquiries are warmly welcomed.